you guys, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and moisturize our face. You guys, this is so important. Make sure you guys are using an SPF 50 every single day. The products that I'm going to be using doesn't really need a primer. I have gone ahead and already moisturized my face. The moisturizer that I use is by ASAP. This is an SPF 50, you guys. Okay, so we're going to move on to concealer. Now, you guys, I'm only going to be using a concealer for my entire face. You guys, I came across this brand recently, INNISFREE, and I tried some of their skincare products, which is amazing, and I then started using some of their makeup products, which I started trialing, and wow, you guys, their concealer is insane. You need to get onto it and you need to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying that underneath my eyes. Okay, now you guys can see that I have pigmentation around my skin here and over here. Now I am still on a journey to fix my skin. My sister is actually a skin specialist, so she's currently getting my skin onto products and she's going to fix my skin. If you guys are interested in that, let me know and I can create like a vlog for you guys and take you on a journey with me, and I can show you guys what she does to my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this onto my face around here. Honestly, INNISFREE, you guys killed it. You guys killed it. I am wanting to try their foundation. I haven't bought their foundation just yet. I did want to try their concealer first and see how that goes. And honestly, I'm loving it. And we're just going to grab some onto the brush and we're going to go in with a little bit of a thicker layer and apply that on. And as you guys can see, it's more of a thicker coverage. Dabbity dab dab dab. Now my pigmentation is quite dark, and yeah, I know it's an issue for me, but whatever, it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it right now until my sister fixes my skin. But with this concealer, if you've got really dark pigmentation, it might not cover it for you completely. But you know what, you guys, it's all about wearing less makeup. Let me tell you something. If you guys suffer from acne, wearing too much makeup to cover it up, I get it. I was once insecure with my skin, but wow, was it making my skin break out even more. I was suffocating my pores and it was just spreading the bacterial infection all over my face. And the moment I started cutting back on applying too much makeup, I found that my skin was actually healing a lot more better. And the scarring came from me, you know, going at my skin, but it's fun-ish. It's not fun when you know, cop the pigment. Next, we're gonna go in with my INNISFREE eyeshadow, and this is close to the pigment on my eyelids. Now, I'm not going to be using any concealer on my eyelids. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you would know that I like the color of my eyelids, and I'm just going to intensify the color a little bit. You guys, this is a really good eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply a little bit on the brush, and we're going to go ahead and just start putting that all over the lid. You don't have to be too gentle with it. Go crazy, apply it all over, and I'm just going to lightly bring it upwards. I'm not going to cover up where my brow line is, because that's where I've lightly concealed it when curving out my eyebrows. We want to keep that white pigment happening just so that the brows stand out, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all in. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply a little bit underneath my eyes, just a small amount, nothing too much. So we're going to go ahead and start from the outer corner and lightly blend that all the way in. And look at that, guys, such a beautiful color. I love it, love. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold, and I'm only going to be using one of the colors in here. I'm not sure if I'm American. And I'm going to be using the black color right here. I'm just going to grab a little bit. Just a tiny bit, you guys. This palette is very, if you want a pigmented palette, this is the palette to go for. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to press it into my skin. Press it into the skin, and we're going to blend. Grab a little bit more. Just going to make sure that's nicely blended. Just going to make sure from out here, we don't want it to be too intense. So I'm just going to make sure that black and the first shade I use is blended in nicely together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the 110 face shape. Now this is actually for face contour, but I like to use this brush to really blend it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and firmly press against my eyelid to really make sure that's blended out. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to grab a little bit underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to lightly apply some and make sure I really blend that out. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to go in with the Benefit HOOLA bronzer. I'm going to start from the ends here. Just like that. You guys, the forehead needs a lot of bronzing, so I like to push this back a little bit and use circular motion to bronze up the forehead area. Okay, now I'm going to grab a little bit more and I'm just going to make it a little bit more intense from the cheek area. And I'm going to warm up my nose area as well. And I'm going to go in with the INNISFREE. This is the number 19. It's called My Blusher. You guys, now this blush is quite pigmented, so start off with a little bit and then build it depending on how much blush you want. I'm going to go in and just do one swipe for now. A little bit on the nose, nothing too much. I don't even show you guys, but this is the color. It is stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Now I got this eyelash curler from Manicare. I am wanting to get a new eyelash curler. If you guys can recommend any really good eyelash curlers, let me know in the comment box down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and start curling my eyelashes. Right now, you guys know me, this is literally the only mascara I use. I have been using this mascara since high school, and I'm going to start from the end of my hairs. I'm not going to start where the waterline is, and I'm going to lightly push them up, applying on a light coat first. I'm going to start applying it onto my lower lashes, just like that. That is all we need, you guys. I'm not going to apply it anymore. This next product I'm going to be using is also from INNISFREE. You guys, this highlighter, wow, wow, wow. It doesn't have that powdery look when it's sitting on the face. It sits so nicely on the skin that it's almost just your natural glow showing. It's nothing too crazy. I'm going to show you guys now. I'm going to go in with the 224 Luxe Define Crease, and I'm going to apply a small amount onto the brush, tap off any of the excess, and we're going to start off with the cheek area here. You guys ready, ready, ready? Watch how this applies. Ready? Look how natural that glow is. It's nothing too crazy. It is buildable. If you guys want more of an intense highlighter, which I personally think you shouldn't, keep the natural glow going. Don't have such an intense highlighting effect going on, you guys. Our face doesn't glow that. I see some people that apply so much highlighter, and it's like, guys, you don't need that much highlighter. There's no need for it. Just a small amount, just to make our natural glow stand out a little bit more. Just apply that on nicely, guys. It's such a beautiful highlight. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. And then I'm going to apply some onto my nose area. Grab a little bit more and apply the smallest amount around this area of my forehead where it naturally glows. I'm going to put the smallest, I like to put the tiniest amount on my brow bone, you guys. Nothing too crazy. And we're just going to lightly apply some onto the brow bone just to make it pop. Just like that. Then now we're going to grab another amount, very small amount, and we're going to apply that in the corner of our eyes. Now we're going to move on to lips. Now I'm not going to go a crazy lip color. I'm going to go for a color that's basically the same tone as my natural lip color, but I'm just going to intensify it a little bit. I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick. And I'm just gonna apply that onto my lips like that. With lips, I don't like to go too crazy with the color. I find that when I go something too bold, I feel like it's so hard to maintain and it just starts going everywhere. I'm not here for it. We're looking like the guy from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's my favorite movie, feeling inspired. Now I am going to quickly go outside and show you guys what this makeup looks like during the day, because I know that it's going to stand out a lot more better outside in the normal lighting. So let's take the camera outside and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, you guys, well, this is it. This is how I create my soft glam makeup look. Thank you to every single one of you guys for watching my video. It is good to be back. Make sure you guys subscribe. I have some incredible videos coming up for you guys. This is literally the makeup look that I create every single time I attend an event. You guys, I'm gonna say it one more time. You need to try out this INNISFREE concealer. I promise you, it is a game changer and it is incredible. But that is basically it. That is it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, thank you for subscribing, and till the next video. Bye guys.